Yeah, good afternoon. It's Jim from JAGfx.com. It is Friday, the 29th of May, 2020. It is currently 4:23 p.m. local here in Vietnam. This is a look at my 12-hour high probability charts. The new candle was at 4 p.m., which was 23 minutes ago. So there's only the four pairs we had some action on. So the spreadsheet has been updated and the charts have been prepared. So let's go to them. Now, this is my 12-hour trading view watch list, and on the right, all the pairs I'm trading on the 12-hour charts. Highlighted in blue means I've got open trades, no highlight means no trade, and highlighted in orange means I'm going to discuss something in this video. And you could probably add the AusCAD. Remember yesterday I said I should take my break even? Look, it's gone against me. I should have taken it yesterday when I said, anyway, let's move on. I'll work that problem out when I get to it. All these trades are recorded on a shared spreadsheet that everyone's got access to. The link to that spreadsheet is in the description to the video. So you're more than welcome to check out all the trades I've taken on the 12-hour chart since the 3rd of February. All right, let's start. CAD yen, the Canadian dollar, Japanese yen. This is my setup. If you see red lines, means some sort of bearish divergence. You see blue lines, just something important like a resistance or support level. This is my chart. The red and green dots are the QMP filter, which is a combination of this MACD platinum, which is an oscillator. It's just a zero lag MACD. And a combination of this and another indicator not displayed in the chart called the QQE advanced. I don't need to see it on the chart because the dots, basically when the QQE and the MACD Platinum's in sync, it produces these green and red dots on the price chart. So it makes it just like a bit more easy. It's just a visual aid. It saves me lining up the crosshairs on both indicators. All right, so the MA's 240 LMA, 100 EMA and 50 EMA, just to give me some idea of direction. Now, this MACD Platinum is an oscillates around the zero level. Basically, I'm looking for sells when it's above the zero level and buys when it's below the zero level. That's the general gist of it all. All right, so we've got a red dot here. It's a little bit hard to see. There's a red line there. There's a red dot. I'm in a sequence of trades, so you can pause the video and read my notes. So I started with sells are designated by red, buys blue. You see yellow line, it's an overall break-even or a break-even level. So I took a sell, hedge buy, second sell, second hedge buy, and today I've taken a third sell. So you see my notes here, third sell, bigger position size, and the level I'm in, based on regular bearish divergence there. You can see it's slightly down on the MACD Platinum and prices higher on the price itself. Break evens at 76,874, which is that yellow line. So that's my overall break even for those 5 trades. So that's just a third sell, fifth trades, third sell. Euro pound, if you see S1, S2, sequence 1, sequence 2, you'll see it written on the notes, sequence 1, sequence 2. Where it is what trade it starts on, and keeping in mind, like for this one example, there'd be 2 trades. There'll be a sequence 1 trade taken on this candle and a sequence 2 trade. Now the sequence 2 trade, the MACD Platinum was just below the zero level. Now it's crossed up through the zero level, so I'm just protecting this sequence 2 position, which is this buy from here. So I've closed half my trade on that, and I've put a stop in place, which a little bit hard to see, but it's that red dotted line there. So it's just below my entry level. So if it rolls over and turns down, I'll lose on the second half, but overall I'll have a small profit on this S2. In the meantime, I'll just let it go up, and I might get another sell signal up, say if price keeps on going up. It's got a long way to go to my overall break even. It's moved now because it's off the charts right up here somewhere. That's neither here nor there, because what I'm looking for to clear sequence 1, because it started with a sell, is I'm looking to end with a sell now, unless something drastic changes. So what I'm looking for now is MACD Platinum to head up and eventually roll over, where I'll take a another sequence 1 trade, and I may start a sequence 3 trade, something like that. That euro pound closing at half gave me a profit of $9.70, and that's been added to the total on the profit to date. Pound yen, just new sell signal today, hidden bearish divergence. It's not a great one. There's a lower high on price and definitely a higher high on the MACD Platinum. I like this is with the trend, so price has gone up, come back, gone down. Look, it's got to really break this previous low here to really get me excited. You could even say that's like a resistance level, but we'll call it a hidden bearish divergence. Across that level there, MACD Platinum's above the 0 level, so that's a valid sell signal. Not a great setup. Like the market's been going fairly sideways, but valid all the same. USD, Japanese yen, USD yen. Right, this one's going sideways. Have a look at these. These are 12-hour candles. 2 of them equals 1 day. Have a look at that. So I've drawn this blue trend line across there. It's a price has come up. It's had trouble breaking through. So it's definitely some sort of resistance level. Got this sell. Look, I'm not convinced. I'm already in a sequence. I've got a sell, hedge buy. Now I've taken a second sell. There's a red dot there. You can see it. As a standalone trade, I would take it just based on this resistance level. I don't like the MACD Platinum, but this is one of those times, the double tops, really good divergence, a big number or something like that. It's times when you sort of ignore this sort of filter and take that trade. Now, I haven't got far to go to get down my overall break even. It's that yellow line there. You can see it's marked on the chart. It's not far at all below price. So hopefully this will just push down. But it is Friday, so markets tend to do funny things late on Friday. We'll see. So that's it for the 12-hour charts, guys, for the day, for the week. Thanks for watching the video. If you do like it, please hit the subscribe button, or nothing else, hit the like button. It's good timing, actually, because it's over and done with pretty quick. My football team that I follow, the Mighty Roosters here in Australia, the NRL, the National Rugby League, kicks off in about 25 minutes. I'll get down to the local bar and watch that game. Wherever you are in the world, stay safe, and I will talk to you guys on the weekend on Monday. And as usual, you're more than welcome. Everyone's more than welcome to join my Facebook group, etc., and Telegram group. And to all those new subscribers to the YouTube channel, thanks very much for joining, and it's great to have you on board. Right, have a good weekend all, and stay safe. Cheers.